something, son. Holy shit. Woo! Hey, you okay? You okay? Ow!
¡Ay! ¡Ay, Dios mío! Algo se le dañó. Claro. Nena, no va a parar. Claro.
밖에 말을 못할 것 같아. 이유는 기다리신 거죠?
Whoa, holy shit. Holy shit. God damn. 18-wheeler just blew up a damn car.
Search for the Eagles on iHeartRadio.
What is this guy doing?
Stations.
Dang.
Some stuff, so.
That is also not there yet. Oh no, he's there. He's using the telephone. He's there.
Ran that red light.
Oh! Oh shit! Pull through. So.
I'm gonna check my bank account too because I had like 1,200 or 1,300 on my checking, and then out of nowhere when I checked today, I only have like less than 1,000.
Jump battery.
And I went online, you know, and then I was looking at the, because I did remember buying a couple of stuff or one stuff online, but I never received it. They end up declining and.
Fuck.
Whoa! Oh my god! Ooh!
The same thing.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You just hit my car. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? You're on camera. Get the fuck out of the street. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're all right. You're okay. Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're all right. You're okay. Okay.
Everyone okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Sí, está bien.
¿Cómo puedo hacer? No sé, Ahorita se acaba de parar la troca blanca frente a mí. ¿Qué? Ahorita acaba de parar la troca blanca frente a mí.
Yeah, we're all right. We had our seatbelts on. We're okay.
Yes, we were just good from I-35 going southbound. We're close to exit 237A. I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. My son's low back is hurting. My neck